Like getting outside and walking around barefooted can actually help your finances. It's true because your finances are connected to your root chakra, and that also is your root chakra is located, it's the energy center located in like your lower digestive system. So it affects and connects to like your digestive system in your stomach, uh, that your lower areas there, and so directed that's connected directly to fear. So it makes sense that fear affects your finances. Okay, because if you need to have the confidence to step out and, I don't know, go for a new job or go for a new profession, that fear will stop you from taking the necessary steps to move forward with certain decisions that can and will affect your finances. One way to have a healthy root chakra is to eat red fruits and vegetables. The color of the root chakra is red, and red fruits and vegetables actually help to support your root chakra as well as your digestive system. Another way to help clear the energy in your root chakra is to get outdoors in nature, walk around barefooted, connect with nature, connect to the earth, connect to gravity. There's healing energy in getting outside and connecting with nature. And whenever you get out and you let your body become saturated with the fresh air and the energy from the earth, you feel revived. You know that physically without even knowing about how you're affecting your chakra system. You know that you feel better when you're in nature. You know that you feel revived. So, getting out, getting some fresh air, connecting with nature, feeling revived is going to help remove those fear issues that are affecting your finances. So, and eating lots of red fruits and vegetables also help to support your energy nutritionally. So, yes, make sure to do things that you need to do for your health because your health does affect your finances.